Hi, my name is Jeff McAllister. I'm a software engineer at Intel. Here at the show, we're introducing the OpenVINO toolkit. And as you've probably seen in some other videos, this covers inference for CPU, GPU, FPGA, and Movidius. And this offers a great, easy way to program. And you can get some great performance. But developers often wonder what hardware they can start with. So what we have here is some great starting point hardware. We have development kits that are available from OEMs. We've got Upsquared development kit from Aon, and we've got a Tank development kit from IAI. So developers can order these hardware kits, and they'll come preloaded with the OpenVINO software. Now, the nice thing about the OpenVINO approach is that you can program to multiple hardware types with the same code. So you can program to the CPU and the GPU here on this Apollo Lake processor, and by just plugging in this Movidius card, that you also have a new accelerator available. So you can offload inference work and leave the CPU and GPU free for other things. So what you can see on the screen here is even with this relatively low cost, low power Movidius, we're still running about 20 frames per second on a full SSD. So there's a lot of great performance here, and some nice starting points, some integrated hardware with the software pre-installed to get started on. So thanks for listening. If you want more information, you can look at our Intel OpenVINO Toolkit website. Thank you.